If I sell my soul, I'll take it back. I'm slime forever. Give me that. I put bust down on the whole game. We gon' shine together.
Are you struggling to get waves? Are you having a hard time finding the right products to use best for you to help you get waves? Well, watch to the end of this video and I'm gonna help y'all learn how to get some waves. Welcome to the episode of high porosity versus low porosity. What is porosity? Now, porosity is your hair's ability to absorb or retain moisture. When it comes to porosity levels, you have high porosity, you have medium porosity, you have low porosity. Now, your ability to absorb or retain moisture, what is that? How does that go hand in hand with the high, medium, and low? How do you figure that out? So basically, the way to figure that out is you can either get distilled water, you feel what I'm saying? Distilled room temperature water, okay? And you're going to take a hair strand out. You're going to put it in that room temperature water. If your hair strand sinks to the bottom, that's high porosity. If it stays in the middle, that's medium porosity. And if it floats all the way to the top, or if it stays at the top, that will be low porosity. Now, you might be wondering, what do I do about that? How can that help me with my waves? How can this help me get my waves or my general hair health better? Now, there's a wide variety of products that you can use when it comes to your different types of porosity. And once you do figure out the porosity and the products that you should use that work best with your porosity, your hair health, your waves will be 10 times better. Here in front of me, I have a variety of different products that mainly are high porosity products because I'm a high medium, so it's like 75% between medium and high. That's how my porosity works. So I can use low porosity products, but I prefer high porosity products. So when it comes to low porosity products, because I don't know many people with low porosity, honestly, but it's not like I'm going around asking people. I have never bought any low porosity products, but I do have a low porosity product right here. This is my 4C moisturizer that will be coming out soon, very shortly. I'm working on perfecting this ingredient that is cinnamon in there, has vitamin C. It's like a conditioner for your hair. When you have low porosity, you want to use products that are more milky and rich in like shea butter and more like, like a milk for your hair. I also have a high porosity moisturizer, 4C. It also has vitamin C, has no cinnamon, and it smells like a lemon pie. High porosity, you want products that are more oily, you know what I'm saying, more like castor oil and oils like that, thick oils. You feel me? Unless your hair doesn't like it at all. And everybody's different. Everybody is different. I also have, right here, we have SPI Styles chocolate serum. This is like an oil, high porosity, it will work good with this. Low porosity, you can use this. If you use this and you have low porosity, you might want to go towards more of the dime size amount because you don't want to use too much. Now, I do have one more product sitting right there, but most people know about that product, so I'm going to go into what it means with your hair cuticle. Low porosity, your hair cuticle is like this. The ability to obtain moisture is like this. So if I was to put a water bottle, if I was to pour water inside of this hole right here, water would get into my hand, but it will be very hard and there won't be a lot of water in my hand. It's very tight, you know what I'm saying? It's very tight. So you need products that are going to loosen that cuticle so you can then moisturize your hair cuticle and actually moisturize your hair, your scalp, and your pores. High porosity, your hair cuticle is more open. You get what I'm saying? So the water, I'm getting water all in my hand. You want products that are going to seal in that moisture. You feel me? You want products like castor oil, jojoba oil. You also want moisturizing oils because the way your hair cuticle is, it's going to drink all of the nutrients and all of the oils up inside of your hair. So you're going to want to moisturize your hair and seal in that moisture. Low porosity, on the other hand, you're going to want to moisturize, but because it's kind of already sealed, you just want to moisturize heavy. You don't need to really worry about sealing, even though it's still good to seal, but sealing you're going to need more sealing product with high porosity compared to low porosity. Here I have a good sealing high porosity butter. Now the purpose of a butter is more for sealing. Sealing is important when you have high porosity to lock in all that moisture so that it sits and it holds, so that you don't have to constantly add product every day, build up or dandruff and things like that. I'm more knowledgeable on the high porosity just because that's the porosity that I focus on the most, but I do have some information on low porosity. So when it comes to low porosity and the products that you would like to use, you want products that are rich in shea butter, like I said before. You want milky products. So you want products like coconut oil. You want products like My Fluffy Puffs. I will put My Fluffy Puffs right here. I will try to tag somebody's codes. I know a couple people codes from Fluffy, so I just tag all of them. Wave slime works good with every porosity. My moisturizers and my butters that I have coming out, I have a low porosity and a high porosity. So if you're really having this issue and it's really a problem for you, just give me a little time and I got you. DM me on Instagram. I can send you some personals. If you type in fullcourse.com right now, nothing really comes up, but coming soon. So when the product drops, then I will, promote and all that. But until the product actually drops, you can DM me on Instagram and try to get samples and figure out, be a part of me making this recipe, because these, at the end of the day, these are for y'all. It's my product, I'm putting my name, but it's for y'all. So if y'all have recommendations or ideas, my DMs are always open to those. Coconut Shea Moisture Shampoo, most whipped products, so any like creams, leave-ins, so leave-in conditioners, deep conditioners, products like that are good for low porosity. And all of this isn't just for waves. So if you have anybody who wants to learn about the porosity, this isn't just for waves, so they can learn from this too and learn the type of products that work good for them. Because if you have low porosity, I'm telling you, coconut oil is going to be wonderful, unless your hair just doesn't like it, because everybody's different. Now, high porosity, I know I went to products, but I want to say it again. You have castor oil, you have jojoba oil. That's a sealing and a moisturizing oil. You can use moisturizers from Wavy Department. You can use Goat Drip. You can also use products that are rich in shea butter or shea butter. I put shea butter in my hair and I have a high porosity. So I moisturize my scalp with shea butter. I put shea butter in my products. I am coming out with a product with no shea butter though. So people that don't like shea butter, cool. So now, it's kind of the end of the video. I'm going to be posting a list of some products here entitled low porosity, high porosity. You guys will be able to, look up those, search up those, find some good products that work good with your hair porosity, see how it works different. DM me results. I will be sending out samples. Just hit my DM or comment something below. Make sure to follow my Instagram right here. Make sure to subscribe. And you feel me? It was your boy Kisa. I'm out this joint.
If I sell my soul, I'll take it back. I'm slime forever. Give me that. I put bust down on the whole game. We gon' shine together.